Welcome to my channel. I'm your host Mohsin Ali and you are watching Global Scope News. Today we are going to deep into a critical moment in the 2024 election. Kamala Harris, the Democrat candidate for president, has just launched a huge $90 million campaign. This is the biggest push we have seen from her so far, and it's clear that she is making a strong move to introduce herself to voters across the country and make a direct challenge to Donald Trump. With election day quickly approaching, every candidate is working hard to get their message out there. But what makes this campaign so important, and why is Kamala Harris team spending so much money? Today we will take a closer look at Harris' strategy and her ads are focusing on and how this could impact the race as we head into the final stretch before voters making their decisions. So let's start with the basics. Why is Kamala Harris launching this campaign now? Harris became the Democratic nominee after replacing Joe Biden on ticket. Biden's decisions to step down opened the door for Harris, who had already been serving as vice president, to take the lead in the race. But stepping into a such big role comes with the big challenges. Harvest team knows that many voters still don't know her well enough, or they may only know her in relations to Biden. This ad campaign is all about changing that and giving voters a clear picture of Kamala Harris really. Sets are focusing on her personal story. Starting from the early life, her works as a prosecutor in California. At her ways through the ranks in politics, she is highlighting her experience standing up for people who often don't have a voice and fighting for justice. But sharing these personal stories, Harris hopes to build a connection with voters. Showing them that she is not just another politician. She is someone who has spent her entire career standing up for what's right and trying to make life better for every people. But Harris is not just sharing her story. She is also drawing a clear line between herself and Donald Trump. The Harris campaign is farming Trump's presidency and his current campaign as dangerous and extreme. They are pointing to his policies and decisions on healthcare, women's rights, climate change, and much more, arguing that Trump's approach could lead the country down a risky path. This is not just about policies. Harris and her team are working to show that the stakes of his elections are incredibly high, and that another 4 years of Trump could have serious consequences for the future of the country. Now let's talk about where these ads are going to be seen. Harris campaign is focusing on 7 key battleground states. These are Arizona, Georgia, Michigan, Nevada, North California, Pennsylvania, and Wisconsin. These states are some of the most important in the election because they are where the race is the tightest. Winning these states could very well decide who win presidency. So it makes since that Harris campaign is putting a lot of their resources into reaching voters there. But Harris team is doing something interesting. They are not just running these ads on news channels or political programs. They are expanding their reach to popular entertainment shows like The Bachelorette, Big Brother, Love and Hip Hop, Atlanta, and even animated series like Simpsons will be featuring these ads. This strategy is about more than just politics. It's about reaching voters where they are already spend their times. mostly times. Harris team knows that not everyone is tuning into political news all the time, so they are bringing the ads to the place where voters are already watching. This could be a smart move. Yeah, definitely a smart move by the Harris. And this $90 million campaign, it's not just happening out of nowhere. It follows another big push from Harris last month, where her team spent $50 million on ads shortly after they took over from Biden. This new wave of spending shows that Harvest campaign is gaining momentum, and they are using the money they have raised from supporters to try and close the gap with Trump's spending. In the weeks after Biden stepped down, Trump and his allies spent heavily on ads, trying to build a lead in key states. Harvest team knows. Harris team knows that they have to keep up if they want to stay competitive, and this new campaign is a big part of their strategy to do just what. Now let's take a closer look at the content of these ads. Harvest campaign is not just focusing on politics; they are focusing on her personal story. The ads highlight her background and career, her fight for justice, and her commitment to standing up for the everyday persons. Harris is working hard to connect with voters on a personal level, and her teams believe that sharing her story will help build trust and confidence in her leadership. Her work as a prosecutor in California is being used as a key part of this narrative. Harris wants voters to see that she is someone who has fought for justice and fairness throughout her career. But it's not just about her story. It's also about the issues Harris is drawing clear lines between her visions for the future and the Trump's visions. Her campaigns is using the ads to point out what they see as the dangers of another Trump presidency, focusing on the issues like healthcare, women's rights, climate change, and more. Harris wants voters to know that she believes Trump's policies are not only extreme but also potentially harmful to the future of the country. Her team is making sure that voters understand what's at stake in these elections, and why they believe Harris is the best choice to lead the country forward. So what does all of this means for the election? With just a couple of months left, every move counts. Harris campaign knows that the race is close, and they are doing everything they can do. This new campaign is a big. This new campaign is a big part of that effort, and it's very clear that Harris is making a serious push to close the gap with Trump. She wants the huge gap between her and Trump. In the end, this election will come down to which candidate can connect with voters and convince them they are the right choice for the future of the country. Welcome our Harris personal story and message for justice and progress resonate with enough voters to carry her to victory. Or will Donald Trump's bold statements, controversies, and others you are very well knows about the Trump strategies and policies recently. Thanks for tuning into the Global Scope News. I'm Mohsin Ali, and I had loved to hear you throughout in the comments. Do you think Kamala Harris's strategy will be enough to change the outcome for the election? It's a question mark. Let me know what you think. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more updates, and share this video with your friends. Stay tuned for more news and analysis on the biggest stories around the world. See you next time. Take care.